Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix VLC Media Player sound issues and it is not having any audio when you're trying to play something and you're having a trouble, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. As you can see, I'm on the video VLC Media Player. So we just have to do some kind of easy steps that will fix the issue up. So all you have to do is just follow the instruction, and if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So let's move to the workarounds. So here, as you can see, I'm on the video VLC Media Player. So we'll be having same options over here at the top. As you can see, these are the options: media, playback, audio, video, subtitle, tools, view, help, etc. So the first one is you just have to check for any kind of updates. For that, you just have to click on help and you have to go for check for updates. Now as you can see, you have the latest version of VLC Media Player, which means I'm on the latest version, so there is no update for me, so I have to close this. Sometimes if you're getting an update, just update and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, then we just have to move to the next one. So here you just have to click on audio, then you just have to select audio device. And now as you can see over here in the audio device, this is my speaker Realtek R audio that has been set over here. So you just have to select the respective speaker, right? If you are on the default, you can keep it the default. If you're using headset, you can change this to this one. So you have to set the default, which is your speaker. You have to select and make sure that you haven't you didn't made any change. So you have to make sure that you're on the right speaker and you have to go for it. So once after that, most probably trying to play, the issue will be completely fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, then we just have to click on tools at the top. Now from here you just have to scroll down and navigate to preference. Now from here you have to select audio. Now from here, as you can see, under output module, it is being set into automatic. So this is very important. This has to be set into automatic. For example, we are having many options. Sometimes in some cases and some scenarios this will be disabled, or file audio output that it's been set into something. So you have to make sure this is in the automatic, that output module should be in the automatic. And also, as you can see, if we navigate to next one, we'll be having an option called device. As you can see, this should be set into your default speaker. As you can see, I have set into default. Some cases, if it's on a Realtek R audio, then you will be having trouble, so you have to make sure this is on the default. Make these changes and go for save and try to play, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, you don't have to worry. We have two solutions. That you just have to close this. You have to go here in the start menu, you have to right click and you just have to go over here and navigate to settings. From here in the settings, you have to navigate to sound. Now from here in the sound, as you can see, you have to select the speakers. Okay, here as you can see, I have to select the speaker, and this should be what it is. It should be my default speaker. Simultaneously, I have to make sure the volume right now over here, I have been reduced the volume over here, as you can see. So that's why it's showing 50 to 55%. So I'll keep it maximum. Okay, once it's done in the maximum, most probably the issue has to be fixed. Even after trying out, like, make sure that your the default speakers and the sound volume is maximum. Even if you have trouble with one, the next and the least one solution is you have to run the troubleshoot, which is basic troubleshoot. And you knew that, most of you guys will be knowing that. So what you have to just have to go to system, scroll down and navigate to troubleshoot. Over here we are having other troubleshooters. Select this one, then you just have to wait for a couple of minutes, and over here playing audio, you have to run this and they will be checking if you're undergoing through any kind of issue with the audio. You have to go for the next one and you have to select it, and you just have to close this and you have to restart, and most probably try to play with your VLC. The issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.